Hi everyone, coming on to do a card tutorial, and I apologise for my disappearing act over the December period. I just had so much on my plate and I just had to tally up what I could do and what I couldn't, and unfortunately YouTube was one of the ones that I had to step back from temporarily. But we're back full swing with a brand new spring summer catalogue, which I can't show you the inside just yet, but I can show you the cover, which is really pretty. Lovely fresh floral colours for spring. And we also have a celebration which starts 24 hours time. Tonight, midnight, you can get everything from it. So I am popping on with a really nice, easy tutorial. Let me see if I can find the DSP, because that would help. Oh. Now, this is the DSP, which is actually a free gift with your celebration items. So if you spend £45 in the main catalogue, the annual one, or the spring summer, or a combination of both, you can choose one item from your celebration items. And this is one of them, and it's called Botanical Butterflies. Sorry, Botanical Butterfly. And the papers are beautiful. One side is nice and coloured, and the other side is black and white. So very classic. Move my scraps aside, that would help. So we've got a lovely polka dot, which on the reverse we've got this lovely paper here. And as you can see, I've chopped a few wee butterflies out. And the same with that one. But that's ideal, you can trim these out easily without any problem. Then we've got a large butterfly one, and on the back we've got the buffalo check. That's the same one again. Then we've got this one, which I'm using today, and it's the elegant black and white with the little flourish on it. On the reverse is a beautiful lavender, which I think will probably be Highland Heather. Yep, that's in our colour combination. And you could colour that as well, or watercolour, it would be lovely. But that's on the reverse of it. Then we have got this one here, which is stunning, and I have made a few cards with it. I'm just trying to see what I've done with them. There's one of them actually. And it was just really simple. I just cut out a bit of paper that I needed, chose one of the butterflies and coloured it, and left the rest black and white. So that really pops. One layer, no complications, and if you can see, there's a bit of glimmer on it. It's beautiful. So it's a gorgeous paper. And on the reverse, we have got smaller butterflies which pop out using the new Butterfly Gala punch. I think it's a dual butterfly punch. I'm not sure of the name. I'll need to check that. But we've got that. Then we've got the stripes, which have got a medium-sized butterfly, which also pop out with the punch. Then we have got the black and white of the medium, which punch out, and it's got just a nice subtle, I think that's lemon lime twist, but it's a nice flourish. So the papers are just beautiful, very, very useful. And as I said, it's a freebie. I'm just going to check how many sheets you get. I think I might be wrong. I think it's, let me think, 16 sheets. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm going to check. Oh, I'm in a bit of pain today, so just excuse me if I'm squirming a wee bit. 12 sheets, 2 of 6. So you get 2 of each of 6 different designs. And they are beautiful. And that's a level 1 because we've got 2 level 2s which are a £90 purchase. You get a freebie. One of them is framelets which match with a set in my spring summer. And the other one is, I can actually show you the set, but I can't show you the, let's see what I've done with it. That's here. So this is the set, and this is a £90 pounds purchase. You get this free, but it is gorgeous. I haven't really played with it much. I have used it once, but the sentiments are beautiful. The flourishes on them, the font, I just love it. So that's Lasting Lily, and as I said, that's a £90 purchase. I don't have the framelets for the other one yet, but I will get them. So back to our card, and as I said, it's super simple today. So I have got, is it a 5-inch card base? No, 4 3/4. So we've got, with my white 4 3/4 squared card, then we are going to add a layer of basic black. Let me just see. I'm waiting on my order coming in. I actually placed it the 18th. But with the holidays and stuff, it's just not here yet. Come on, be nice. Oh. Oh dear, dear, dear. Never fails. Whenever I need something quickly, takes forever and a day. That's better, it's moving now. Right. So, add more adhesive. Come on, you were being nice there. Oh, never mind. I'll try a different one. My hands are too sore to be fighting with it today. So in this order, I've got another few celebration items that I can show you and share with you all. But I'm pretty sure that there's been quite a few shown on Pinterest and all over the internet, which is fantastic for you all to get a sneak peek. Right, so we are going to put that on, and this is a 4.5. So I've got a nice border around it. Then we have got this layer, and as I said, you could use either or, but I'm going to keep it really classical, so we're going with the monochrome look. So I hope you all had a fantastic Christmas and Santa was good to you all. Celebration this year is absolutely phenomenal, and Stampin' Up have got an amazing joining offer this year as well, which I have put the flyer up on my Facebook page. But basically you can get, now let me just double check, because I forget, but it's extra special, it's the best offer it's been in years. But there's two options. The first option is you get £170 worth of product of your own choice. You can choose everything for £99, and that's with free shipping. You don't pay for your shipping, and in with that you will also get your free customer order forums. You will get a free catalogue. You'll get invites, etc. Just like things to help you start a business tools. And for the second option, you get £170 of product plus a Crafty carry tote, which is normally £47, and it's £125, so you're actually only paying £26 for the bag. And it's £40 more free product than usual, which is amazing. Absolutely. It was actually at the point where I thought, do I leave and rejoin just to get the free bag? But I didn't. I was a good girl. So I'm just, as I said, I'm waiting on my order appearing. It's coming tomorrow. No, Thursday. My brain just went to sleep, I think. Right, so I'm going to put this on at a bit of an angle, and then I've got this little thank you, which I'm going to just tuck under, I think. Or will I? No, I think I'm going to put it over there. But this year I will be uploading videos on a Tuesday and a Thursday, and that's going to give me time to get better quality for you, and I will also be doing my blog. There we go, and I think we need a wee rhinestone just to finish it off properly. Let me just see what I've done with them. Where did I put these little gliders? Oh, yeah. Because I've also got quite a few other things on the cards and I'm just a bit all over the place. So I want to try and just focus in better on what I'm doing. Right, so we are going to add one on here. I'm going to add one on here. And I will add one, let me see, I'll just put it there. Yep, so that's our card for today, and that was using only basic black cardstock. The stamp set is from, let me just double check, I think that's Butterfly, is it All Abound actually? Yes, this is another new stamp set, Beauty Abounds, and it was this sentiment here I used, thanks. Look at all these butterflies, they're gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And there's thinlets that go with that set, which are just as beautiful. But that was basic black, the Beauty Abound stamp, and the free Botanical butterfly paper. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and if you've any requests, if you see a stamp set or a DSP thinlits that you want shown some other ways to work with it, pop me a wee message or message me on Facebook, email me, whatever, and I will happily do that. It's not a problem. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I will see you all on Thursday. Take care for now. Bye.